What's up, guys? Welcome back to the TenorShare channel. The Touch ID on the iPhone SE is just so convenient that we forget our passcode from time to time. A few failed attempts later, the iPhone unavailable screen shows up. Fortunately, if you have signed into it with your Apple ID and it's connected to a network, you can unlock it from the lock screen without a computer. Keep entering the passcode until you see the Erase iPhone option in the bottom right of the screen. Tap on it and sign out of your Apple ID to proceed. This process takes about 2 minutes. If you don't see Erase button on the screen, or the button itself not responding to your touch, move on to our next method. Unlock it with 4 key. After connecting your phone, click on Start, then Next. Follow the steps here to put it into recovery mode. For iPhone SE, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. 4 key prepares the firmware. Once downloaded it, you can start unlocking. While setting it up, if you have backed up your device before, select the Restore option. Then choose a previous backup to proceed. Your data and settings will be extracted to your iPhone from the backup. Just like that. If you use your Apple ID on another device, you can erase your SE wirelessly. Let's try the Find My app. Tap the Devices tab on the bottom. Select your SE. Then go ahead and erase it. All you have to do is submit your Apple ID password when prompted. Then the erase will begin. The last part here will show you how to restore it using iTunes. Make sure it's connected with the computer and in recovery mode. Select the Restore option to continue. After automatically downloading the firmware, iTunes will start restoring. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. See you next time.